Hey, if you want a fast, reliable website that actually helps your business grow, the hosting you choose matters more than most people realize. A slow website silently pushes visitors away, breaks trust, and kills conversions before you even get a chance to explain what you do. That's why choosing the wrong hosting is one of the most expensive beginner mistakes founders and freelancers make. Today, I'm comparing 3 hosting providers you'll see everywhere online: Hostinger, Namecheap, and A2 Hosting. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your situation without guessing, without stress, and without wasting money. Most people think hosting problems come from price, but in reality, they come from workflow. Cheap hosting that slows your site down costs more in lost visitors, poor rankings, and constant troubleshooting. So instead of reading technical spec sheets, we're focusing on 3 things that actually affect your results. Speed and uptime, because every extra second of load time loses attention. Ease of setup, because you should be able to launch without technical headaches. And scalability, because your hosting should support growth instead of forcing a painful migration later. Let's start with the option that works best for most people building a website today. Hostinger is designed for simplicity, speed, and value, which is why it's often the best first choice. The moment you log in, the dashboard feels clean and modern, not cluttered or confusing. Installing WordPress takes only a few clicks, and within minutes your website framework is live and ready. This experience is ideal for freelancers, bloggers, consultants, and small businesses launching their first professional site. You spend less time figuring out settings and more time building pages, adding content, and focusing on your business. Performance is solid for normal traffic levels, and pages load quickly enough to keep visitors engaged. Where Hostinger begins to show limits is advanced scalability. If you plan to run a heavy e-commerce store, complex databases, or deep server customization from day one, you may eventually need more power. But for most people, the balance of speed, usability, and pricing makes Hostinger the most practical starting point. Now, if your focus shifts from simplicity to raw performance, A2 Hosting enters the picture. A2 Hosting is built for speed-focused projects where every millisecond matters. Their infrastructure emphasizes performance optimization, advanced caching, and faster server response times. This becomes important when traffic grows, transactions increase, or your website handles dynamic content. Developers, agencies, and growing online businesses often prefer this level of control and speed. The trade-off is complexity. The dashboard feels more technical, and beginners may need time to understand the environment. Pricing is also higher, but for businesses where speed directly impacts revenue, that cost becomes an investment. If performance and scalability are your top priorities, A2 Hosting delivers power where it counts. Now let's look at the option built around affordability. Namecheap focuses on low-cost hosting that gets a website online without unnecessary extras. It's not as polished as Hostinger, and it doesn't match A2 Hosting's performance focus, but it works. This makes it a practical option for simple websites, personal projects, testing ideas, or launching a minimum viable product. Managing both domain and hosting in one place adds convenience for beginners. The limitation is expectations. Support is basic, performance is average, and advanced features are limited on lower-tier plans. If budget is the main concern and the website is simple, Namecheap does the job. Now let's bring everything together into a clear decision. If ease of use and fast setup matter most, Hostinger offers the smoothest experience. If speed, performance, and scalability are critical, A2 Hosting stands out. If affordability and simplicity come first, Namecheap is the budget-friendly option. Choosing hosting doesn't need to be complicated when you match the tool to your real needs. Buy Hostinger if you want a clean, beginner-friendly experience that lets you launch quickly. Buy A2 Hosting if your website is tied to growth, traffic, or revenue and performance is non-negotiable. Choose Namecheap if you're starting small and need reliable hosting at the lowest possible cost. I've added the best current offers for all 3 in the description below, and some links may be affiliate links that support Namecheap Digital at no extra cost to you. If this video saved you time and helped you decide with confidence, subscribe for more no-fluff software reviews. And for full guides, comparisons, and updated recommendations, visit Namecheap Digital.com.